I am Wayne Parham, one of the editors at BrightDrop. But before we dig into today's upfit, let's back up a few months and if you take just a moment, let me share a story that kind of explains today's product. I was on a trip to Detroit to visit General Motors, and while over at the Warren, Michigan campus, I had the opportunity to drive the BrightDrop 600. Now, the BrightDrop uses GM's battery platform to achieve an estimated combined range of up to 272 miles. On top of that, it has more than 20 active safety and driver assistance features. But it also has an 11.3-inch infotainment screen to keep the driver informed. Now, we are talking delivery vehicle, so we need to take a quick look at the cargo and payload capabilities. The larger BrightDrop 600 has nearly 615 cubic feet of cargo space, and that's with a 3,350-pound payload. The shorter BrightDrop 400 has just over 412 cubic feet of cargo volume and a max payload slightly larger of 3,710 pounds. While the BrightDrop is targeted urban delivery fleets looking for a zero-emission solution. But how do you organize that cargo space? Well, you can't just leave it open, and Ranger Designs has a solution. Recently, Ranger Design unveiled its mounting track kit, which was exclusively created for BrightDrop 600 and 400. These are purpose-built solutions that combine durability, precision, and thoughtful design to support modern fleet needs. The mounting track kit delivers flexibility, enabling seamless installation of shelving, storage, and other equipment along the van's interior. True, it's lightweight, it's made of aluminum, but it still meets rigorous safety standards. Some of the features you can look for are if your upfit can be installed anywhere along the mounting track. That includes the entire cargo area and pocket door. And again, I already mentioned it's lightweight. The mounting track comes in at less than 26 pounds, but even though it's lightweight, it meets FMCSA cargo securement specs. And fleets are always concerned with downtime, in particular with delivery vehicles. But it only takes 30 minutes to install the mounting track. Now, the mounting track is for one side of the vehicle. So if you need to upfit both sides, you need to get a second mounting fit, and logically that will take a little more time to install. Now, this isn't the only component that Ranger Design has for BrightDrop. Mounting track kit is designed to work well with the E-floor, and their E-floor comes for either wheelbase of 600 or 400. The E-floor features an underlayer that dampens noise, but it's about safety also. It meets flammability standards. And of course, since it's designed for use in an EV, it comes with zero drill installation because you don't want to have to drill down into the floor of your EV. Plus, integrated cover, but you still have to get to that battery sometimes, so integrated covers protect and provide easy access to battery maintenance. And of course, we have to think about driver safety, so of course it has a non-slip surface. Now, with those two things, the mounting track kit and the E-floor, you are ready to select whatever kind of upfit you need for the role that truck's going to serve. Now, Ranger Designs has a wide array of choices. It can be shelving, workbenches, lockers, bottle holders, parts keepers, and more. All you have to do is check with Ranger Design and see what they have available. Check back next week to see what the latest topic, product, or tip will be on Work Trucks Upfit My Work Truck. Thank you.